Meet the HAUSWIRT stand mixer. The 5.3-liter food mixer is designed for beginners and professionals alike to make a variety of recipes. It is built to last with a powerful 1000-watt motor and durable metal gears. With 8 speeds and pulse control, it can handle just about any mixing, whisking, and whipping task. Plus, it lets you keep an eye on work time and speed via a large LCD display. You can also set a timer and make other food preparations. It will be one of your excellent kitchen assistants. With a powerful motor with overload protection, equipped with a 1000W pure copper motor, the professional stand mixer helps you knead, whip and mix ingredients steadily and easily. Integrated overload protection ensures safer operation. 8 speeds plus pulse control offers variable speed options from a low agitation to a high whip for any task and recipe. Makes it easy and efficient to knead bread dough, beat thick butter, whip cream, etc. Planetary mixing action ensures more complete and uniform results. Tilting head design with 2 attachment hubs, conveniently install or uninstall the bowl, dough hook, wire whip and flat beater. It will automatically shut off when the head is tilted. It also features a front hub and top hub for meat grinders, pasta makers, vegetable slicers and blenders. Timer with LCD display. The 2.5-inch backlit digit display clearly shows the settings for running speed and left operating time. You can set a timer and do other prep work while watching the cooking process from a distance. It will automatically shut off when the time is up. Dishwasher safe and splash proof. The large capacity 5.3 QT stainless steel mixing bowl is suitable for singles and families of 7 members. All included accessories are stainless steel and dishwasher safe. It comes with a splash guard to prevent ingredients from dripping out, designed with non-slip silicone suction feet for more stable and safe use with less noise. There are already thousands of satisfied customers with the HAUSWIRT stand mixer. See Lanit's testimonial about the HAUSWIRT stand mixer. I had my doubts about buying an unknown mixer. So far, I am very impressed. It's not quiet, but it works well. It looks nice. The outer shell is all plastic, but it seems to be sturdy, and I appreciate that it is lighter, allowing me to store it easily after use. The suction feet hold up firmly on my counter, even while mixing the toughest bread dough. I have made several batches of bread so far, and it really does a great job mixing it to a smooth consistency with ease. It seems to have great contact points stirring the bowl and didn't require any scraping on the wall when mixing with the dough hook or mixer. I will continue to update as I enjoy it more. So far, I am impressed and more than satisfied with this purchase, especially given the reasonable price. I definitely recommend this mixer. Do like Lynette, order your HAUSWIRT stand mixer now with the best price by going to the official website. Link in the video description and fixed in the first comment.